Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azimuchi Oziri. Today we go talk about the right wey women get children female to inherit their papa property. And I know say plenty men believe say women no get right to inherit their papa property, and na mostly brothers dey do this thing. Today we go talk the matter as e be, as law talk am. For plenty customs, female children no dey inherit property. When dem wan share property, dem no dey share give female children. But no be so law talk am. Now I go read in full the way wey our ogbonge law for dis Nigeria, the ogbonge law na the 1999 constitution as amended. And that 1999 constitution for section 42 don talk say, make I read am as the constitution take talk am. The constitution talk say for section 42 say, a citizen of Nigeria of a particular community, ethnic group, place of origin, sex. This sex now no be mekwata. This sex now na whether e be male or e be female, whether e be woman or e be man, religion or political opinion, shall not, by reason only that he is such a person, A, be subjected either expressly by or in the practical application of any law in force in Nigeria or any executive or administrative action of the government to disabilities or restrictions to which citizens of Nigeria of other communities, ethnic groups, places of origin, sex, religion or political opinions are not subjected to. Wetin dis section 42 subsection 1 paragraph A of the 1999 constitution dey talk say, make nobody subject anybody to any form of disabilities or restriction wey other people no dey suffer sake of say because say the person na woman or him be man or him be Muslim or him be Christian. Now subsection 2 of that same section come talk say, no citizen of Nigeria shall be subjected to any disability or deprivation merely by reason of the circumstances of his birth. Now this subsection go directly to the right of women to inherit property. So when constitution talk say no citizen of Nigeria, woman too, your girl pikin too, your female children too, na citizen of Nigeria, shall be subjected to any disability or deprivation. Wetin be deprivation? Wetin law dey talk here be say, make e no deprive me of wetin I suppose get because of how dem take born me, because of whether I be girl or I be boy, okay, by reason of the circumstances of his birth. So wetin dis constitution now dey talk here be say, make e no deprive anybody, any man or any woman, of im right to inherit im papa property because of say how dem take born am. Say as im mama push am out, im mama no push am out as man, im mama go push am out as woman. And see wetin this particular section of the constitution take sweet be say, if the thing go fall under fundamental human rights. This section of the constitution fall under fundamental human rights. So na the right of every woman to inherit her papa property. The same way wey men get right to inherit their papa property, na so woman too get right to inherit. Na so constitution talk. And una know say for law, anything wey concern law for Nigeria, say na constitution be the ogbonge law. Na constitution be the baba of all the laws wey dey for dis country. To further put weight for wetin the constitution don already talk, make I read another law wey dem dey call this law now na Rivers State law. Section 3 of the Rivers State prohibition of the curtailment of women's right to share in family property law 2022 talk say no woman shall be subjected to any form of discrimination or deprivation in the distribution, allocation or inheritance of family or community property. So wetin dis law dey talk be say, for dis Rivers State constitution don talk am, dis our ogbonge law to come talk am say, e no go deprive any woman of her right to inherit her papa property or community property. So where dem dey share property for family, a woman, na the right of a woman to share property. So when you dey share your papa property, maybe your papa don die, you dey share your property, you dey remove your sister's name, whether dem marry or not. Whether your sister marry comot o, e no marry comot o, wetin law talk be say your sister get right to get share for her papa property, on her papa property, our papa property. Na so law talk am. Because the same way your papa born you, na so your papa born woman too. No woman wey dem vomit, no woman wey from stick come out, no woman wey from water come out. The same way wey dem take born you, na so dem take born the woman too. And say person na woman no mean say the person no be human being again, or say e no complete. God wey create man create woman, know why him do am like that. Now when e come for court matter, una know say the ogbonge court for this Nigeria na Supreme Court. If Supreme Court talk say na like this the matter be, e go only appeal to heaven. No other appeal you fit appeal again for this Nigeria. Supreme Court now for one case wey dem dey call Ukeje and Ukeje. The case na Igbo case, the thing happen for Igbo land. Supreme Court don use that case affirm say female children, women get right to inherit their papa property the same way wey their brothers get right to inherit. So if you as a woman no allow any of your brother, any man deprive you of your right to inherit your papa property, if you say e no go share from your papa property, make e be say na your decision not to share, but make e no be say na person say you no go get share from your papa property because say you be woman. If any of your brother you wan take part in your papa property, you wan get share there, any of your brother dey deprive you of this right, come meet me. I go help you carry that your brother go court, and court go tell am to give you your own share of the property. Na so e be. Thank you. God bless you.